I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 online. If you've ever wanted to drive across Europe with thousands of other players, this guide is for you. We'll focus on Truckers MP, the leading community-made modification that transforms your single-player experience into a massive multiplayer trucking adventure. Get ready to hit the virtual roads with friends and fellow enthusiasts. To begin, you'll need to own Euro Truck Simulator 2 on Steam and have played for at least 2 hours. Next, visit the official Truckers MP website to create your free account, linking it to your Steam profile. Once registered, download the Truckers MP launcher. Run the installer, following the simple on-screen instructions to set up the client on your computer. With the launcher installed, open it and select Euro Truck Simulator 2. You will then be prompted to log in using your Truckers MP account details. After a successful login, you'll see a list of available servers. Choose a server that suits your playstyle, such as a simulation server with collision enabled or an arcade server without collisions, and click to join the game. Once connected, you'll be driving alongside thousands of real players. Use the in-game chat by pressing the Y key or the CB radio by holding X to communicate. Remember to always follow the Truckers MP server rules, which promote respectful driving and prevent disruptive behavior. If you encounter any rule breakers, you can report them to the dedicated moderation team to help maintain a positive environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.